Are you absolutely sure you're not secretly paying extra just to use Relay Bank for your business? I started using Relay Bank a while ago, attracted by the no-fee checking account they constantly advertise. And, for the most part, it has been excellent, especially compared to the big traditional banks. But here's the thing, after tracking my business expenses closely for months, I started noticing small charges and hurdles that added up. These aren't advertised on their main landing page, but they can definitely chip away at your profit if you're not aware. This is my honest, first-person breakdown of the top hidden costs I've personally experienced using Relay, and more importantly, exactly how my business manages to avoid them now. Cost 1. The out-of-network ATM fee trap. Relay proudly offers fee-free withdrawals at over 40,000 all-point ATMs. That's a huge network, but when I've been traveling or in a rush, I sometimes forget and use a non-all-point ATM. The hidden cost isn't just one fee, it's two. First, Relay charges you a flat $2.50 for using an out-of-network machine. Second, the owner of that non-all-point ATM will also charge you their own fee, usually $3 or more. Suddenly, you've spent over $5 just to get cash. It's an unnecessary annoyance that hits hard when you need cash for something small. The fix: I downloaded the Allpoint ATM Locator app. Now, before I even leave my office or hotel, I check the map. This sounds simple, but it has completely eliminated that pesky $5 plus charge for me. If an Allpoint isn't nearby, I just plan my cash withdrawal for later. Cost 2. The foreign transaction fee. This is critical if your business deals internationally, even occasionally. When I used my Relay card to pay for a subscription from a European software vendor or for a business trip expense in Canada, I was hit with a fee. Relay charges a 1% fee on the US dollar equivalent of any transaction made outside the United States. While 1% might sound small, on a $500 monthly software bill, that's an extra $5 every single month, or $60 a year. It's pure friction on international growth. The fix: I now use a dedicated corporate credit card for all foreign transactions. Many business credit cards offer 0% foreign transaction fees as a standard perk. By routing all my international payments through that specific card, I eliminate the 1% Relay fee and usually earn rewards points on the spend, turning a cost into a benefit. Cost 3. The wire transfer fee versus ACH. Relay offers two ways to move money: ACH and wire transfer. ACH transfers are free but can take up to 3 business days. Wire transfers are almost instant but come with a steep fee. For a domestic incoming wire transfer, I've paid $10. For a domestic outgoing wire, it's $20. If you have a vendor demanding an immediate wire transfer or you regularly send large sums that need to clear instantly, these fees pile up fast. 10 wire transfers in a month can easily add $200 to your operating costs. This is the biggest hidden cost for fast-paced businesses. The fix: I restructured my vendor payment terms. I now use the free ACH for almost every payment, scheduling them a week in advance. For the very few vendors who demand a wire transfer, I make sure the value of the deal justifies the $20 fee. If a wire is required, I always ask the vendor if they can accept an ACH payment instead, emphasizing the speed difference isn't worth the fee for my business. This shift saves me hundreds annually. Summary and the simple truth. The simple truth about Relay Bank is that it is an excellent, low-cost solution, but the hidden costs are essentially the price of convenience or speed. Paying for an out-of-network ATM means paying for convenience. Paying for a wire transfer means paying for speed. Paying for a foreign transaction fee means paying for a transaction outside their core market. By adopting 3 simple habits, using the Allpoint Locator, using a 0% foreign transaction fee credit card, and prioritizing free ACH payments, I've personally maintained all the benefits of Relay's modern platform while effectively reducing my bank-related fees to almost zero. It takes a little discipline, but the savings go straight back into my business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.